here we have a Mistral bot, a Python script which I built similar to ChatGPT in my local. So let's go quickly and see what are the different elements of this. So here we have a model path which I have given as a GGUF model, which is located in my machine. I have a LLM initializer here. It is using Llama, which is imported from Llama CPP, where we have cloned it from a repository, and later we need to install it from Python package as well. Once we have that, we initialize the Llama and we give the model path, and the number of threads depends on the CPU cores that your system has, and the context size. I will explain this later during the demonstration. So this is the Llama LLM initializer, and this is the key part. It's a chart method. Internally it has a while loop, which is exact replica of like a chatbot. This bot we can actually integrate with the HTML website as well, just to replicate ChatGPT, because I'm not interested in building a website to demonstrate this. In this while loop, continuous engaging a bot application, so it has a while loop, and we gave two commands, exit or quit, so that we can exit from the chatbot. Once user input is received, we are going to construct the prompt in a structured format, because Mistral 7B is instruction based language model. The prompt should be given as instruction. If I say user input for a user keyword here, a language model understands that user has given this input and he's expecting language model to be an assistant to answer the same. That's how the prompt is formatted here. And once we have the prompt constructed, then we can call the LLM internal method with a prompt and the max token size. So the tokens, you have already aware that the user input will be divided into chunks of tokens, as we discussed in the previous episode. Max tokens, you can give a number here. When to stop, as soon as it sees the assistant. So here user and assistant is the format. So when it sees the assistant, the LLM stops to generate further words or whatever it's doing currently. So it will stop there and give the response. So here is the output, and from the output, because Mistral has predefined format, this is how we parse the output from there, and this will be the final response. Let's see the Mistral bot in action. Here we can see the LLM started running. You can see a lot of logs here. So again my system will start shouting at me because I'm putting a lot of load on it. Yeah, now it's ready. So here you can see, who are you? Started at the 16:16. Let's see how much time it takes. Okay, the assistant answered 24, almost took like 8 seconds. Yeah, here we can see the logs from language model as well. The total time invested is 8 seconds and evaluation time is 6 seconds, and the prompt evaluation time is this. We can actually go through these numbers for each prompt, and as we keep going, the numbers may get changed based on the complexity of the prompt. Let me ask one more question. What kind of a model are you? We got the answer. So I'm a language model specifically designed to help users. It doesn't say what the model actually is. I'll say, what language model are you? Model are you? It took nearly 5 seconds, and it says a large language model trained by Mistral AI. So here we can see which language model is actually running here. Let me ask a few more questions. What date is today? So far we have asked questions about the language model. Let's ask few questions on current affairs or current topics. Date and time, it is taking too much time to answer this simple question. Today's date is August 26, 2021. Its knowledge base is too much outdated. Like today I'm recording this on 20th November 2025. It's almost like 4 years old, knowledge database of this language model. So we have seen how a language model can interact now.